What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Gerald from Bank of Gerald here with another video update. Today is Monday, February the 14th, 2022, and we're going to get into some platforms that are doing a great job. Now, we got the red ones out the way. We got the fallen ones out the way. It's time to get to the ones that are trying to pay. All right, let's get to it. We're talking about Intelligence Prime Capital, all right? Before I start talking about Intelligence Prime Capital and where we are here at BOJ, I just want to remind everyone that I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, and I am not your financial advisor. I'm just a dude on YouTube showing you guys how I'm cranking out that crypto in many different platforms, nothing more and nothing less. If you like this content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And if you want to be updated and notified about everything going on here at BOJ, make sure you hit the notification bell as well. Let's get into it, y'all. I want to share my screen and give y'all an update on where I am here at Intelligence Prime Capital. As you all know, I made a withdrawal from my MT4 trading and capital account for various reasons. One, I wanted to test a big withdrawal, right? 15K I took out and it cleared. Then the next day, I got about $7,000 that I withdrew from my management bonus and my trading profits. Withdrew that came, everything is dandy. Now, what we are doing now is we're back in another week of trading, all right? I want to add to that, we are in the last day of this promotion for well, it's over. Never mind. The promotion for the Valentine's Day promo is now finished, all right? It's done. The prices have gone back to $99.90 for the Genius Bot. Brilliant Bot is now $39.90, and Smart Bot is now $19.90. So for those of you that capitalize on that promo, good for you. For those of us that already had the bot, we're good to go. There was a question that was raised yesterday, and I want to make sure I answer it for everyone to hear. When somebody buys a Smart or Brilliant Bot, right, understanding that that is not the top bot, which is the Genius Bot, right? If you want the Genius Bot at any other time, right? If you start here just trying to test it out or whatever the case may be, you can only afford that place, whatever. You have to purchase the bot at the subscription fee rate, right? So I can't purchase any right now because I already have the top bot. But say if I bought the Smart Bot, I already paid that $19.90, but I would have to pay a new $99.90 to get the Genius Bot. And no, they do not run simultaneously. Once you have the Smart Bot, you have the Smart Bot. If you upgrade to the Brilliant Bot, you no longer have the Smart Bot, you have the Brilliant Bot. Same thing goes with the Genius Bot. If you upgrade from either the Smart or Brilliant Bots to the Genius Bot, the Brilliant and Smart Bot is no longer available anymore. They will not run simultaneously, and you will have the best bot, the most popular bot in the platform. All right? So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I thought the promo was still going, but it's not. All right? So here's the thing, though. Here's what's good about this. Not seeing any red flags after the promo is done. All right. We want to be able to see everything continue on business as usual, just like we saw from the first promo. All right. There was a lot of fear, and justified fear, because when a lot of platforms like the Hype Spaces and things like that, when they launch promos, that usually means that they are trying to find new Peters to pay Paul, if you understand what I'm saying. But for this to continue to do what it's doing, and we're going to check the trades from last night, but, you know, still reporting trades, still winning trades. Like, the bot has been doing its thing, y'all. And I want to scroll on down to the latest bot winnings. All right. Now, of course, my MT4 balance is much less than it was last week, so I'm not anticipating the same returns daily that I was last week. However, you still want to see some wins, right? February 13th, let's check them out. First trade, $113. Let me get my handy-dandy calculator out, because y'all know what I love to do. I love to calculate the earnings. So we got 113, all right? Then we have 166. And then we have a win of $38. You see how I just pretty much assumed it was going to win? It has been undefeated since December the 28th when I first joined. And now it's February 14th on a Valentine's Day, and I'm feeling the love from Intelligence Prime Capital. So that's a total of $317 in a day profit. Now, of course, at the end of the week, They take their 20%, we keep our 80%. That's, that's what it is. That's the agreement. Some have been asking about why I haven't been able to take out all of my MT4 trading capital account, right? Some have saying, all right, have you lost that money forever? The answer is no. All right. Now, I don't know how to explain this to everyone, but the way that it works, and there's some other videos on YouTube, the Forex Gifting Tribe, they do a great explanation of the security deposit feature of the bot, right? Slowly, as you're continuing to earn, you get some of your capital back in availability. Eventually, after, I don't know the amount of months or whatever, but you get your capital back over time. So, and to be honest with you, for those of you that were asking me if that money is available, for me, even if it was, it's not, because my goal is to make sure that I have enough in my personal investment to be managing director. Now, I have over 10,000 more than I need in there, all right? And I could take the majority of it out. However, I do not want to fall under 10,000 because that puts me at risk of not making managing director. And y'all see how close I am. I'm less than $10,000 away. You know what I'm saying? In my mind, it's like you possibly could take 10,000 out and find someone to bless. I could do that. But as of right now, I just want to see Intelligence Prime Capital make it through these next couple weeks, continue to be strong. And, as that continues to happen, the FUD starts to go away. The trust level with this platform begins to build. And the longer it lasts, the more money it makes everyone. So we're just watching that. We're managing our risk. We're making sure that, yes, we know the red flags in the space. We know what goes on with these platforms. We don't want to fall in love with any platforms, but we understand what they can do for us. All right. And this one right here is doing a lot for us right now. The global bonus has gotten to $1.5 million, you guys. It is at $1.5 million, which is, I believe, around where it was last month. And we're only halfway through the month. So you can see why I am pushing to be a part of this MD pool. There may be 200 MDs. I don't care. I want whatever extra money they're going to give. So, of course, I'm sharing Intelligence Prime Capital. I'm putting out videos, letting people know that this is something that is paying me. And it's something that is really changing a lot of people's lives. There's Facebook groups on this. People in Africa buying cars, This is like, and some people take that kind of stuff for granted. Like here in America, people might be like, oh, I'm trying to get me a Benz, or I'm trying to get me a Mercedes, or a BMW, or a Cadillac. You know what I'm saying? Me, myself, I wanted a Cadillac, so I went and got a Cadillac. But to see the joy on people's faces in other countries, they're buying new Hondas, and they're treating them Jones like they're Lamborghinis. It's changing their lives. They're so happy and excited about what this platform is doing. Who knows how long this platform will last? Nobody knows. I don't know. You don't know. Nobody knows. Trolls don't know. So whatever they try to say to spread fear, they don't know. Nobody knows. But we can always hope for the best. We can be hopeful. We can follow the rules of the space, which are never invest in anything that you aren't willing to lose. And then make sure that, if something happens, we are keeping our eyes open for the next thing. Being smart in the ones that we have so that when the next opportunity comes, we can be ready for it. And that's what's really important. All right. A lot of people have also asked, like some new people, they say, how do I get my affiliate link? You cannot get your affiliate link until you make a deposit in Intelligence Prime Capital. All right. So I just want everybody to understand that. For those of you who've been trying to figure out why things aren't, your payment haven't come yet, I don't know. I don't know what answer to give you, but I know that if you look in your reports and you go to fund transaction history, you'll be able to see what payments are pending and what are not. You know what I'm saying? What's been approved and what hasn't, what payments have gone through and what has not. All right. That is the place where you can find it for yourself. And everything here from me has pretty much been approved. Payment made, $474. That payment was made. So the last thing I'm going to do is this transaction from my USDT wallet to my MT4 trading account. And I haven't gotten many complaints about the internal transfer process since our issues a couple weeks ago with getting OTP codes. So I'm getting one sent to me right now. Of course, that is me testing this process just to make sure that it's still working, checking my email on my phone, and look what I see. I see an OTP. So it seems to still be working efficiently. Of course, Google Authenticator seems to always be working efficiently, and you gotta love when technology works efficiently. You know what they say, technology is great when it works. All right, so with that being said, we see our green go light up there. Dashboard should reflect a new balance of $20,404.71, and I'm cool with that balance. I could to look at, for those of you that don't know, right? If you want to look at what you can withdraw from your MT4 trading capital account, of course you can't take it till the weekend. All right, so don't try to take it during the week, because it's using it to trade. Of course, it's doing its trading based on that account, on that number, and the future numbers. As it gets profit, it's trading off of those new volumes as well. But to get that, if you want to pull that out on the weekends, you can go to withdraw at the top here where it says withdraw transfer from MT4 to wallet. If you click on that, it'll tell you how much you can pull out. So I could pull out 15 grand right now, but that doesn't go with my goals, right? So maybe that'll change over time. Who knows? All right. Right now, I'm comfortable with 20,000 in my trading account, and I might consider changing that as things go forward, because that's just how you manage risk. If you need to diversify, sometimes when funds are available somewhere and it's not going to hurt you, it wouldn't hurt me to take 10,000 out of this account right now, because I'd still have over 10,000. I'd still be able to get the managing director. All right. But that's just not what I'm choosing to do. All right, with that being said, put your 2FA on all the platforms that will allow you and all your wallets, because crypto is the wild, wild west, y'all. If you ain't strapped, you're bound to get hacked. Ask me how I know. It's not very fun at all. If you like this content, hit subscribe. And if you want to be notified about everything going on here at BOJ, make sure you hit the notification bell as well. All right, it's your boy, BOJ. This is Intelligence Prime Capital, and it made it through the promotion period. Let's see if it can have a strong week in the trading market, and then we're looking forward to withdrawing profits on Friday. All right, I will see. Saturday. All right, I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace out.